Selling high-ticket products or services can be easy or a nightmare. There are different things you have to pay attention to, and it all depends on how strong your marketing is. Indeed, marketing makes the closing process easier even if you're not so good at close prospects over the phone. That is the primary method used to sell high-ticket stuff. In this video, I want to help you avoid 3 crucial mistakes that prevent you from selling high-ticket products or services. And I made them all in the past, and this is why I feel comfortable talking about this topic. So let's go. My name is Max Cecco, and I teach you the skills and mindset to turn your knowledge or someone else's expertise into a 7-figure business. If you like my content, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thank you. Mistake number 1. Skip the indoctrination process. Many professionals or business owners try to sell their high-ticket stuff without any filter. They simply ask the prospect to book a call, or in the worst-case scenario, they call the prospect first. Huge mistake. What does indoctrination process mean? The indoctrination process is fundamental to educate and persuade your potential client on what to believe in and what not to believe in before speaking with them over the phone. The indoctrination process helps you filter the potential client before letting them book a call. In a nutshell, it can consist of a single video that your prospects get access to after filling an email and name form. This video must be structured properly because its primary goal is to change prospects' beliefs system based on the product or service you want to sell. To change the beliefs system, you need to follow this 3-step process. Number 1, identify your potential client's main objections regarding what you are selling. Number 2, answer these questions properly while educating your audience. And number 3, provide facts. You need to know that there are 3 types of objections you have to elicit in the indoctrination video: internal objections, external objections, and product objections. Internal objections represent the objections a potential client has based on themselves, beliefs about their ability to execute what you want them to do. External objections identify false beliefs your potential client has about outside forces that could keep them from success. Things beyond the individual's control, such as time or the economy. And product objections, false beliefs regarding your vehicle. The way you decide to use to provide a solution for the problem. What I want you to understand is that you have to educate and persuade your prospects to believe in your solution, to believe that they will be capable of doing what you ask them to do, and to believe that they have all the resources to change their life and/or their business. Period. So, don't skip this persuasion process, because it lets you save your precious time and even close more prospects over the phone easily. Mistake number 2. Be the first to call the potential client. This is another huge mistake to avoid as soon as possible. Please, never, ever be the first to call a prospect, but let them book a call first. Think about it, because it is elementary to understand and has much to do with perceptions and expectations. When you call the prospect first, you give the impression of being needy. And by acting this way, your prospects will not buy your product or service because you will sound like a salesperson. Instead, when someone decides to book a call, they see you as the expert they want to work with. And the more precious and unreachable you are, the more value you will get from your potential client's perspective. Instead, if you are always available for everyone, you will instantly lose your value. In addition, your client must perceive that your product or service is not for everyone. If they don't speak with you over the phone, they can't buy what you offer. You are on the phone call to qualify if they have the qualities to work with you. And this situation creates the correct perceptions and prepares your prospects to invest money in what you are selling. Mistake number 3. talk too much. This is the king of mistakes. I've made this error multiple times in my career until someone taught me these 3 concepts. Number 1. During the sales call, your prospect must speak 80% of the time, period. Number 2. Stop talking and start asking questions. Be ready to ask the right questions in order to guide the conversation till the end and close the prospect when they are ready to buy. And number 3, the sales call is not a pleasant moment. If it doesn't hurt, there is no sale. So, persuade your prospects to speak about their struggles and always elicit problems and pain points first. Once again, let them speak about themselves. You have just to guide the entire conversation with the right questions to let them sell to themselves why they need your product or service. Making the right questions is just the starting point. Becoming an active listener is the second one. It is essential for 3 main reasons. Number 1, you will be able to understand your speaker's point of view quickly and easily. Number 2, you can reply, engage, and interact with the topic your interlocutor has exposed. And number 3, the person you are speaking to, since you have actively listened to them for most of the time, they will love and appreciate you, even if you don't say anything, just because you have listened to them carefully and patiently. Listening is always the starting point to become great at persuading people to do whatever you want them to do. And with that said, if you want to learn the exact process to sell high-ticket stuff, I recommend watching this video. How to sell high-ticket coaching and consulting services online, regardless of whether you have a following, testimonials, or case studies. In this video, I talked about a very easy 3-step sales funnel that you can use to build your authority and trust to sell your high-ticket stuff. You will love this content, so watch it now.